Hey folks, Eddie Smith here. Breaking rule number 1, stay in warm weather. I am in Denver, Colorado, where it's currently 33 degrees, and I'm here chasing music. And I'm here at the Grizzly Rose here in Denver, Colorado. So here's the big surprise. There's the surprise, folks.
What's up, Country Road Entertainment?
If you remember, fellas, ladies, Bill Bogan has been in a few videos with us. He's the drummer from Nathan Dean and the Dam Band. Yep. They are playing this week here at the Grizzly Rose, and naturally, that's why I'm here.
Right.
So, stay close, stay tuned. This video is going to be a lot of fun. Now, here's a room that people don't often get to see.
Right.
I'm going to pan around a little bit, but we are in the green room here at the Grizzly. It's kind of cool.
Nice big TV. Some sports while they're on a break. Got a nice fridge here with a lot of past performers on it. You see the stickers. There's a little water and an IPA in there.
So all this, and we have 1, 2, 3 beers and a few waters. I think the Grizzly cheated you, man. Just saying. So while this even has a
got the shower back there.
Bathroom and shower. Okay. That's.
All right, this is backstage. You want to see the stage?
Let's see the stage. Okay. All right. So we are backstage.
Oh, here. Let me close these. A little more effective.
Okay, so we got backstage here.
This is where they store all the equipment between sets. Like when we're opening for Brice tomorrow night. Our stuff will be out here with their stuff at the same time. All right, come on through. This is the stage here at the Grizzly Rose. This is, man, you'd be surprised at how many people have got their start here. Toby Keith, Garth Brooks. There's so many guys, you know, that Kenny Chesney talks about it too. They have all talked about the Grizzly Rose for different reasons. They all got a start here. They've all played here. You can see, I don't know if you can see or not in the video, but along the back walls, there's pictures of all these people that have played here so many years ago. And we'll get back to that later, but you can see it's a nice big stage. We've got obviously the drum equipment. They've got a banner that hangs up sometimes when they have a radio station that has a show, but Grizzly Rose has been around since 1989. So there's the VIP area over here. The black couches. Then we've got, you know, seating. There's a restaurant in the back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 bars here in the building. Wow. So yeah, they're, you know, nice. See the nice big dance floor. Yeah, so we'll go look at those pictures now and look at some of the people that have played here before. Awesome. That we are following. Here we go. We got. I was talking earlier when we were on stage talking about some of the people that have played here before. Just an honor roll of country music legends and superstars from today's world. You can see some of the pictures here, and they're not all country people either. Like we've got, well, Restless Heart was one. Hell's Bells has played here before. Got Diamond Rio, Thompson Square, Mark Chestnut. Like I said, just anybody. Johnny Lee, Lori Morgan, Lacey Dalton, Chris Christopherson. Who else we got here? John Anderson, Tanya Tucker, Marty Haggard, Tracy Lawrence, Phil Vassar. We actually opened for Phil Vassar here a couple times ago. It was a sold-out show. It was awesome. Phil's always great. Got Tracy Lawrence down there. Look at that picture from when he was 18. Wow. Down here there's Bachman Turner Overdrive, Don Williams. You can see they're just all over. There's the Oak Ridge Boys, one of my personal favorites, next to Brooks and Dunn. Let's see who else we got. They got Laurie White, Keith Anderson. Yeah, that's just a short. There's more over here we can go to, but that's just a little town. There's some over here. Let's see who else is over here. Here's another bar in the back called the Back Bar. This is Danny's Bar. This is a conference room area. That'll be open later tonight, but it has like bulls that sit on the ground. You can practice roping. There's another dance floor back here. The music from out front is pumped in back here so people can dance if they want to. Here's the double, what do they call it, inflatable bulls?
I've never seen two mechanical bulls.
Mechanical bulls, thank you.
Mechanical bulls.
Yeah, they go at the same time. They're called the Widowmaker. Well, $5, I think it's $5.
$5?
Yeah. So
$5, and they will give you all the pain you want.
Will make you holler.
I'll make you holler.
And here we got some more bands that played here. Firehouse, Red Akins, Dustin Lynch, Sawyer Brown. Like I said, the list goes on and on. Here's Lee Brice here tomorrow again. So like I said, the list goes on and on and on. It's amazing. Turnpike, one of my favorite bands. David Allen Coe, Phil Vassar again. You know, just a ton of people. If any superstar that's on the radio today, unless they won a reality show, probably played here.
Again, I don't think that people realize, especially now that it's just opened in the last few minutes, but the sheer magnitude, the size of
Yeah,
this
it's
place.
huge. The I think capacity is 2,000,
2,000. Okay.
which we will be at tomorrow night. And Sunday night is not sold out yet, but tomorrow night is. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Concert night's always a great night here. People are always here to have a good time and live up, you know, dance. And the dance floor will be packed with people standing. There won't be a lot of dancing tomorrow night, but it's gonna be a fun night.
What's going on, Denver? Truckers on me, all there is a load. I'm burning up the highway and breaking up some heavy homes. So let's on track. Don't you turn your head, don't you ever look back. Watch your pedal to the middle and leave just like a smoking gun. Don't you know I'm so trouble, that's just what I'm made of. All I do wrong, I try to do right. There's a night that you in my sounds, 'cause I live so hard to find. Your daddy wasn't no good. He could teach you things only the devil would. Sing so long, ain't no one to go. Something's gone, I'm sick, mama. You'll see every note fall from the tree. Don't you know I said, blowing up trouble, that's just what I'm made of. Gonna do wrong, she get my sense, 'cause I'm a